Write the code also.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, pa.
Ma'am, can you able to hear
I
me, ma'am?
didn't. Yes.
Ma'am, my message is, ma'am. Ma'am, please say what you did from the beginning. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
You write the heading English language and literature with the code number 184. That is enough.
Ma'am,
Then you
left
write
note, ma'am.
term 1 portions. Term 1 portions. Term 1 portions. First flight portions. For portions, we will make a note inside the textbook. You write reading 10 mark. Reading 10 mark. Writing and grammar 10 mark. Literature 20. Kunyate, kada angോട്ട് അടച്ചേ. Literature 20. Internal assessment 10 mark. Written.
Ma'am, say 1 second, ma'am.
Reading 10 mark. Writing and grammar 10 mark. Literature 20. Internal assessment 10 mark. Total 50. Got it? Then take the textbook and make a note of these things. First term. Term 1 portions. Letter to God. Put a tick near to that one. First term. Letter to God. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela.
Yes, ma'am.
Two stories about flying.
Yes, ma'am.
Two stories about flying. From the diary of Anne Frank.
Next, ma'am.
From the diary of Anne Frank. 100 dresses 1 and 2. Hundred dresses 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
That is only for prose section. Next poem. Totally how many prose lessons are there?
Ma'am, 6
Six, ma'am.
Very good. Poem Dust of Snow. Fire and Ice. Dust of Snow. Fire and Ice.
Yes, ma'am.
A Tiger in the Zoo.
Yes, ma'am.
The Bold Poem. The Ball Poem. So totally how many poems are there?
Ma'am, 4.
4,
ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4. Next is supplementary. A Time of Surgery. Thief Story. Footprints Without Feet. How many supplementary lessons for term 1?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am,
3.
ma'am, say again, ma'am. Supplementary.
Time of Surgery. Thief Story. Footprints Without Feet. So these are the portions for term 1. Grammar as usual, tenses, modal, subject verb, congo, determiner, reported speech, commands and request statements, questions. Then 4, letter to editor, letter of complaint, official complaint, then letter of complaint, business. These are the 3 writing parts for the statement. There is no analytical paragraph for
Letter of, ma'am, letter of complaint, and what are the letters, ma'am?
letter to editor, letter of complaint, in bracket official complaint. Next, letter of complaint, business. Then reading section is there. Term 1, discursive passage and case-based factual passage. Factual passage and discursive passage. So term 2. Next, term 2 portions. Letter of order, letter of enquiry, analytical paragraph. Letter of order, letters of enquiry, and analytical paragraph. Prose section. Glimpses of India. Madam rides the bus. Glimpses of India. Madam rides the bus.
Yes, ma'am.
The sermon at Benares. The sermon at Benares. And proposal. 4 lessons are there. Glimpses of India. Madam rides the bus. The sermon at Benares and proposal. 3 poem. Amanda and animals. Amanda, animals. The
Yes, ma'am.
tale of Custard the dragon. The tale of Custard the dragon.
Yes, ma'am.
Supplementary. Making of a scientist. The necklace. The hard
Yes, ma'am.
driver. The hard driver and Boli. So totally how many lessons are there? Term 1 and term 2.
Ma'am, ma'am, for term 1, ma'am, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prose, ma'am, and 3 supplementary, ma'am, and poem, ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4,
4 pro, ma'am.
4 poems, ma'am. And for term 2,
What I
ma'am,
asked. First term total how many lessons are there?
I'm 13.
Very good. First lesson 13. First term 13. Second term
ma'am, second term 8, ma'am. Ma'am, 8, ma'am.
second term how many lessons are there?
8,
I'm
ma'am.
9.
11. 8.
11, ma'am.
11, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, 11, ma'am.
11. First term 13. Second term 11. Total 24. What is our lesson? How many lessons we have totally? Totally how many lessons are there?
24.
24. Then time 1, time 2 I told. See, prose 11 are there, poetry 10 are there. Sorry, poetry 11 are there, supplementary 10 are there. Totally 32 lessons are there. But our term 1 13, term 2 11, totally 24. What happened to remaining 8 lesson? Say pa, remaining 8 lesson enga pochu?
Internal
Huh?
assessment.
Oh, internal assessment. 8 lessons they deleted from your portion. Got it? So what are the
Yes, ma'am.
deleted portions? Deleted portion, prose 8, Mijibil the author. Strike out the names of deleted portion. Prose 8, Mijibil the author. How to tell wild animal. How to tell wild animal.
And the tree.
Next.
And the tree.
Trees, folk, Annie Gregory. Trees deleted, folk deleted, Annie Gregory deleted. Supplementary, The Midnight Visitor, Question of Trust, and the last chapter, The Book That Served the Earth. These are the deleted portions. Got it? So, how many portions deleted? 8 portions deleted. Totally 32 lessons in that. 8 portions deleted. We have only 24 lessons. Letters, all the letters are there. 4 letters. Wait, letters. Which one deleted? Enquiry deleted. Is it so, children? Yes.
Ma'am, turn to there is letter of inquiry, ma'am.
Enquiry letter, ma'am.
M2. Okay. Wait. Yes. 4 letters also. Placing order, enquiry, complaint, editor. Okay, 4 letters also there. Analytical paragraph also there. Okay, fine. So see children, here after monthly test portions, you will get a revised syllabus based on the term 1 portion. Got it? Monthly
Yes,
test
ma'am.
portions will be revised. Monthly test portions will be revised for, maybe it is for 100 mark. It is purely based on the term 1 portion. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your pattern? Reading 10 mark. That means 5. Discursive passage 5 mark and factual passage 5 mark. Writing and grammar, that is 10 mark. Writing 5 mark and grammar 5 mark. Literature 20 marks. So the 20 is MCQ. Total 40 plus internal 10 mark, grand total 50. Got it, children? I do not know whether they will ask the writing also in the MCQ form, but we can read it in the descriptive form itself. Got it? Letter and analytical paragraph, we can go with the descriptive form itself. Remaining, it is comes in MCQ. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Literature also, they didn't mention, they mentioned like this, questions will be based on the extract or text to assess the interpretation, extrapolation beyond the text and across the twice they have given. Anyhow, we will prepare for MCQ or descriptive way of
voice is breaking, ma'am.
part here under heavy rain. Okay.
The voice is breaking, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Ma'am, now we are audible, ma'am.
Audible, ma'am.
Here under heavy rain, what can I do? It's because of climate issues. Okay, syllabus and circular syllabus you received, children? Okay, fine. Then we will go with our class.
Yes, ma'am.
So monthly test syllabus will be revised. That also you keep it in mind. Monthly
Yes, ma'am.
test syllabus will be revised. Divya Darshan is not in the class. Monish, Tamil Selvananal not came. Take the any doubt regarding this one, you can ask to me. See, children, first term portions, is it clear for you? Any doubt in first term portions or anything want to be reteach? You can text it to me. We will go with such kind of revisions first. Then we will focus on the examination. Okay, we will start the class in the examination point of view. Take the textbook. Where we stopped in the last class. So there was a quarrel between Natalia and Lamau. What is the subject for their quarreling? What is the reason for their quarreling, children?
Cattle killing.
Am I audible? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yes, then why don't you answer to my question? Page number 147. After which we completed in the last class. They are quarreling each other for their ownership of the oxen meadows. Is it so? Hmm? Page number 148 up to page number 148 we have
Ma'am, 148 we completed up to.
yes up to 148 we completed. They are this Lemo is accusing Natalia is accused Lemo that he was a land grabber. So he become very excited. Hearing these words, Lemo become very excited and he drinks water. Natalia, next page 149. It's not true. I will prove it. I will send my mowers out to the meadows this very day. What she said, okay, meadows na, it grassland. Now itself, I will send my mowers. Mowers means grass cutters. I will send today itself to clean the land. That means I will cut all the grass from the ground today. Lemo, what? My mowers will be there this very day. I will give it to them in the neck. What he said, if they are entering my meadow, that's all I will give it to them in their neck itself. That means I will cut their neck. You dare? Lemo clutches at his heart. Oxen meadows are mine. You understand mine. So he felt a palpitation. He is clutching his own heart and he is telling that the oxen meadows are belongs to him. Natalia, please don't shout. You can shout yourself Horace in your own house. But here I must ask you to retain yourself. What he said? So please don't shout. You can shout yourself Horace in your own house, but here I must ask you to retain yourself. What Natalia said, you cannot shout like this in my home. If you want to shout, you can be in your own home. இப்போ நினக்கு shout பண்ணாங்க உன் வீட்டில் போய் shout பண்ணக்கூடாது. Lemo, if it wasn't, madam, for this awful executing palpitation, if my whole inside wasn't upset, I had talked to you in a different way. Else, Oxen meadows are mine. So he's telling, I'm not shouting because of excitement. I got palpitations. That means his heart starts to beat quickly. So it makes me to say the things in loudly. Natalia, Oxen meadows are ours. Lemo, mine. Natalia, ours. Lemo, mine. That time who is entering? Chukubo. Chukubo, what's the matter? What are you shouting for? What's the matter here? Why you people are shouting each other? Natalia, Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns Oxen Meadows, we or he. Then she is calling her father and asking whether and make some clarification. She needs some clarification for the ownership of the Oxen Meadows. Chukubo to Lemo, darling, the meadows are ours. Father was also supporting that the Oxen Meadows are belongs to them. But please, Stephen Stefanovich, how can they be yours? Then he is asking how it is possible. Do be a reasonable man. My aunt's grandmother gave the meadows for the temporary and free use of your grandfather's peasants. The peasants used the land for 40 years and got accustomed to it as if it was their own. And when it happened that, so Lemo, there also she is explaining about the truth, but that people are not ready to hear the truth. What they said, what he said, my dear neighbor Chukubo, actually my great grandmother gave it to a temporary use to their persons, but they feel it as their own property. Chocobo, excuse me, my precious, you forgot just this that the persons didn't pay your grandmother and all that because the meadows were in dispute and so on. And now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you haven't seen the plan. So what he said, am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Is okay, fine. Dear one, why yell like that? You won't prove anything just by yelling. So what he said, they are also saying that they are also agreeing that once upon a time the land was with their grandparents' hand, but also that time itself it is in a dispute, no controversy. And now everybody knows that they are ours. It means that you haven't seen the plan. You didn't know, or you didn't have the plan of the property. Lemo, I will prove to you that they are mine. No, I will prove that. What I will prove? They belongs to me. I will prove like that. You won't prove it, my darling. I shall. Dear one, why yell like that? You won't prove anything just by yelling. I don't want anything of yours and then intended to give up what I have. Why should I? And you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, I would much sooner give up the meadows to the peasants than to you there. So Chocobo is telling that it is belongs to them if you are yelling. What do you mean by yelling?
Shouting.
Shouting. If you shout like that, I will give the property back to the peasants itself. Peasants, na farmers, peasants itself. Then why are you shouting like that? I don't understand. How have you the right to give away somebody else's property? Then can't understand what I cannot understand how you can give away the somebody's property to someone else. Chukubo, you may take it that I know whether I have the right or not because young man, I'm not used to being spoke to in that tone of voice and so on. I young man, at is your age and ask you speak to me without agitating yourself and all that. Then Chukubo is telling, I am very old. I am older than you. I am the eldest one, so you should speak to me with respect. You should not yell like that. Is it the way for speaking to an elderly man? Chubuko is asked to Chubuko asked to Lamo. No, you just think I am a fool and want to have me on. You call my lands yours and then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that. Stephen Stephanovich, you are not a neighbor, you are a grabber. So they are blaming each other. So Lemo is telling that a good neighbor never spoke like that. You are not a good neighbor. Other than who, what he was a grand labor. Chubuko, what's that? What did you say? What you said? Papa, send the mowers out to the meadows at once. Then what Natalia is telling, my dear father immediately sent the grass cutters to the land itself. Mowers at once, Chukubo, what did you say, sir? Natalia, oxen meadows are ours, and I shan't give them up. Shan't give them up, shan't give them up. Lemo, we will see. I will have the matter taken to court and then I show you. But he said, there is no need for any argument among us. I will take the case or issues to the in front of court. So there we can see this land to whom it belongs to. Chukubo, to court. You can take to court and all that. You can, I know you. You are the just one look out of a chance to go to the court and all that. You pettifogger, all your people were like that, all of them. Then Chukubo is telling, I know you very well. You are such a pettifogger. You are waiting for a chance to take the things to the court and all that. You pettifogger. What do you mean by pettifogger? The pettifogger is the person, those who are quarreling each other for petty issues. All your people were like that. Not only you, the people in your family also like that only. All of them, everybody is like that only. They are blaming each other. Okay. Lumo, never mind about my people. Lamos have all been honorable people, and not one has ever been tried for embezzlement like your grandfather. What Lamos said, you don't have any right to say about my family members. We all family members are decent fellows. We all members are decent fellows. What right you have to speak about to my family members? Next. All of you, Natalia, all. What he said, you chukubos, ellarum vandu lunatic. What do you mean by lunatic? What do you mean by lunatic? Am I audible? Mad people. The family loose. We will say like that, no? Like that only it mean. So let us stop there itself. Put a mark there. We will go with the reading practice because rain starts here. Okay. Who is ready to read? Raise up your hand. Who is ready to read? Krishna Priya. Very good. Krishna Priya, read Krishna Priya.
Ma'am, from the beginning, ma'am.
Wow. Krishna Priya.
Ma'am,
Only girls participation I saw. What about my brave boys? Krishna Priya,
ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you. I told you to read. Read fast.
Ma'am, from the beginning?
Yes, Pa.
Yes, ma'am.